thanks to all of you, 2019 was an amazing year for Woodcademy TV. And it was a really good year for interesting new products coming out as well. So we've chosen a few of our favorites and put them on the Woodcademy Wishlist. This is a PDF that you can download for free from our website, and it includes links to the products that we thought really stood out this year. So you can simply download this and forward it to those people who are asking you what you want them to buy you for your shop for Christmas. Or you could print it out and have a little bit of fun with it. You can put it somewhere important where you know it won't be missed. Or you can make like that kid in that Christmas movie and sneak it into some unsuspecting person's magazine. You can even send it to the big man himself. But whichever box you check, the Dovetail Clamp Pro Kit from Microjig, Bessie's innovative new gear clamp, the Fast Track Mark II from Empower Tools, Tucson.com's Detail Sticks, Trend's Air Stealth Respirator, or the Bluetooth earbuds from Isotunes Pro, you're bound to love whatever ends up under your tree.